The word beit, which means house, is written with one continuous line. Ba, ya, and ta. If we don't put any diacritical marks on these letters, we won't know how to read the word. There is an Arabic saying which says literally that one should put the dots on one's letters, and it means that you should speak clearly. So we put a dot under the letter ba, and two short lines for the two dots under the ya, and above the ta. And here we have the word beit. The word sharia, which means street, contains a long vowel. We start with a shin, a small flick just above the line, a long line, and then up into the alif. Alif doesn't join, we already know what ra looks like, and a final ayn in script looks a lot like the final ayn in print. The three dots above the shin are written like this, and here we have the word sharia. The word mat'am, which means restaurant, is written with one continuous line. We start with the letter mim, then ta, and then we trace the letter ayn, and finish with a final mim. Ta has a line. And here we have the word mat'am. The word qaribe means close, and the ta marbuta at the end of the word makes it feminine. This is how we write it. Qaf continues into a ra, which doesn't join, then ya, a ba, and the ta marbuta is written like so. Qaf takes two dots, which become a line above the letter. Ya has a short line below the letter, a dot below also for ba, and finally the two dots above the ta marbuta, which also become a short line. And here we have the word qaribe. Here we have the word il-Quds, which means Jerusalem. It's made up of the definite article, il, and Quds, which together mean the holy. In spoken Arabic, people say il-Quds, whilst in modern standard Arabic you would see it as al-Quds. We are writing spoken Arabic, so we will write il-Quds. We start with the letter alif, a straight line, and then the lam, which continues into the qaf, then the dal, after which we pause, and then the final sin with its tail. Alif takes a hamza under the letter to make the sound I, and we place two dots, a short line above the letter qaf, and that is how you write il-Quds, Jerusalem. Here we have the greeting ma'a salami, which means see you later. And before we say see you later, let's write the word out. We start with a mim, and then a final ayn, ma'a. As-salami starts with the definite article, alif followed by a lam, which continues into a sin, which sits on the line, and then the lam alif looks like this. The lam is elongated and contains the alif inside it. We complete the mim and the ta marbuta, and we add in the two dots, a short line above the ta marbuta. Ma'a salami.